In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive in monday.com. If you're managing projects or workflows using monday.com, archiving tasks efficiently can help keep your workspace organized and ensure that your active boards are clutter-free. In just a few easy steps, you'll be able to archive tasks and maintain optimal productivity. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific board where your task is located. Monday.com boards are the central hub for your projects and tasks, so it's important to start here. Whether you're tracking a project timeline or managing team responsibilities, locating the correct board is crucial. Take a moment to scan through your active boards and make sure you're in the right place. Once you've accessed your desired board, the next step is to find the task that you want to archive. You have a couple of options here. You can either click on the small box right next to the task's name, or if you prefer a more direct approach, you can simply right-click on the task itself. Both methods are quite straightforward, but choose whichever feels more intuitive to you. Remember, your goal is to select the specific task you wish to archive, so take your time to ensure you're picking the right one, especially if your board is bustling with multiple tasks. Now, once you've selected or right-clicked on your task, you'll be presented with a few options. Among these, you'll find the Archive option. Click on Archive, and just like that, your task will be archived. It's a simple click but incredibly effective in maintaining a streamlined workflow. Archiving is a useful feature that not only helps declutter your active tasks, but also allows for easy retrieval in the future if needed. When you archive a task, it doesn't get deleted. Instead, it's stored safely, making it easy to bring back if circumstances change. As you become more familiar with monday.com's archiving feature, you might start to see significant improvements in how efficiently you can manage tasks and boards. A clean and organized workspace in monday.com ensures you can focus on the tasks that matter most and keeps your projects running smoothly. If you need to revisit archived tasks, simply navigate to the archive section within your dashboard to find what you're looking for. By following these steps, you'll enhance your workflow and help your team stay on top of their projects. Keep practicing, and soon enough navigating and archiving within monday.com will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy organizing.